It's a dull day for our Indian markets today, in line with what the global peers have done. The US handover was also weak, and ditto it is with the European markets. They're also trading lower today, and so is our Indian markets. The Nifty is trading below 11,900 levels. You have Sensex that is actually fallen over 200 points intraday, but I'm here to take you through all the stocks that are moving in trade. So let me first take you through the stocks that are moving based on news, and then move on to stocks that are buzzing based on earnings. So you have Aurobindo Pharma. That particular pharma major has fallen most since August 31st. The company informed exchanges that its US unit Oralife Pharma has received a warning letter from US FDA for its oral solid manufacturing facility that is situated at New Jersey. The company said that they will engage with the regulator to resolve the issues at the earliest, and however, they are also noting that the existing business from this facility will not be impacted. The stock has gained over 60% in the last 52 weeks. Moving on, you have Newgen Software. The stock is surging for the fifth straight session. It's up over 4% in trade today. Remember, it came out with its earnings yesterday, and the stock had hit 20% upper circuit intraday. Today, Jefferies has come out with a note where they're maintaining a buy stance in Newgen Software, and they've raised their target to 310 rupees per share from 250 rupees per share. Jefferies is saying that Newgen's sharp margin expansion and near 7 times YOY jump in profits in Q2 surprised positively. They are saying that the management has highlighted that the demand outlook is strong and the company can deliver over 20% revenue growth on a sustainable basis in the medium term. And the stock, if you see, is gaining for fifth straight session, like I said, and is up 19% in the period. Moving on, Vedanta, that particular counter is gaining most in 20 weeks. The company informed the exchanges that the board will be meeting on October 24th to consider and approve first interim dividend on equity shares, if any, for FY21. The stock is up for a fourth straight session. Now let's move on and let's talk about stocks that are buzzing based on earnings. And first up, I'll talk about KPIT Technologies. The stock has fallen most in 7 months on back of weak Q2 earnings. It's the third day of decline coming in for KPIT Tech. Moving on, you have Syngene International. The stock has fallen most in about 7 months on back of earnings as well. The company's Q2 consolidated PAT saw a decline of about 34.3% on a year-on-year basis, while the revenue saw an uptick of about 11.6%. The stock is down for a third day in a row. However, the shares have surged about 60% in the last 52 weeks. Moving on, you have Chennai Petro. That stock has surged over 15% intraday, most in over 4 months. The company has posted a profit in Q2 of about 291 crore rupees versus a loss of about 213 crore rupees last year. The stock is up for a second straight session, and it has actually gained 20% in the last 5 days. Sagar Cement, the stock is up over 10% intraday. It is the most in 3 months, the gains. This is also on back of strong earnings. They reported a profit of about 50.2 crore rupees compared to a 4.92 crore rupees profit a year ago. Revenue saw an uptick of 23%. You also have the margins that expanded to 32% from 16% a year ago. The stock is up for a fifth straight session, and it has gained over 25% in the last 5 sessions. Moving on, you have JK Tyres. The stock is up most in about 19 weeks. The company reported a revenue uptick of about 5.6%, while the PAT saw a dip of about 34%. The company's operating profit stood at about 366.7 crore rupees in Q2 compared to 303 crore rupees a year ago. So that's why the stock is buzzing in trade today. And apart from that, you have Bajaj Auto, Indian Bank, UCO Bank, Tube Investments. These are the counters that's come out with earnings today, and we are seeing stock movements based on these earnings.